Does your dog like ketchup or mustard? Neither. He licked his mouth. I think he wants them. Dogs don't eat ketchup or mustard. I don't believe you. Doggy, which one do you want, ketchup or mustard?
I want the ketchup.
Ketchup? Here you go.
This isn't ketchup. What is this? Get it away from me. Ew.
He doesn't want your ketchup. Go away, lady. What about the mustard?
No, I hate mustard. Ew, ew, stop.
He's giving you side eye. He doesn't want it. That's weird. They're dog toys. They're fun. These are cat toys. It's the same thing. Dogs can play with cat toys. Subscribe if dogs cannot play with cat toys.